fixed my website for me. That was absolute, and were able to show me exactly why it was not just telling me. My name's Zakk. I own and operate Coffison Plumbing and Gas based out of Queensland, and we're based in Scarborough. The reason we came out of Tradie Web Guys was because we had some trouble with other SEO companies in the past. They weren't really giving us results, and as a new business, we are trying to scale and spending an absolute fortune, up to 20 grand a month on Google Ads. So obviously an SEO strategy is going to be something to help us get our ad spend reduced, and so far they've been great. But we're already starting to see a lot of influence in our local area. We're getting calls without running ads. Fixed my website for me. That was absolute, and were able to show me exactly why it was not just telling it to sell me a new website. So yeah, like I said, very early days, but I'm already seeing more results than I had with other SEO businesses who I've been with for nearly a year. I'm seeing better results within a few months. So I'll recommend.